Faceless videos are taking over TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and some of them are earning thousands of dollars without ever showing a single person's face. The craziest part? Many of these viral clips take less than 30 minutes to make. No expensive gear, no complicated editing, just eye-catching visuals and a smart use of free AI tools. Let me show you one that's been getting a ton of attention lately. Imagine this: a man walking up and down a staircase. But not just any staircase. Each step is a crystal clear block filled with water, swimming with vibrant, colorful fish. The entire staircase is a living, glowing aquarium. It's the kind of visual that stops people mid-scroll. It hooks them in the first second, keeps them watching, and makes them want to see it again. Or even better, share it. The algorithm picks up on that engagement and starts pushing the video out to more and more people. That's how these seemingly simple videos rack up hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a video like that using completely free AI tools. Make sure to stick around to the very end, because I'll walk you through every step. All right, let's jump in. The first step is to get image prompt to kick things off. But don't worry, I've made this super easy for you. I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompt that you can copy, tweak, and turn into your own unique image prompt with the help of ChatGPT. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm to show this video to more awesome creators like you. All right, let's get back to the video. First, head over to the channel and click on the most popular video. These videos are popular for a reason. They've nailed the visual style that hooks viewers. Once you've opened that video, take a screenshot of a frame that really captures the look and feel you're going for. Then crop out any unnecessary parts so you're left with the clean, core visual. Save that image to your device. We'll be using it as a reference. Now go to the Google Doc linked in the video description. Copy the entire prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the input box and specify how many variations you want it to generate. 3, 5, 10. It's totally up to you. Next, upload the screenshot you saved earlier. This helps guide the AI, showing it exactly the kind of visual vibe you're aiming for. A set of image prompts that match the reference style but give you fresh, creative results, featuring both men and women in different outfits and poses. Once everything is in place, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will return a list of detailed image prompts. Each one is crafted to produce visually stunning outputs that are unique and optimized for catching attention in short-form content. From there, you can use those prompts with your favorite AI image generator and start creating visuals that not only match the viral look, but are even better. Now that we've crafted our image prompts, the next step is to generate our images. And for that, we're going to use Ideogram. Head over to Ideogram website and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the creation interface. This is where the magic happens. Before we generate anything, let's adjust a couple of key settings to make sure our output is perfect for vertical video formats. Set the style to realistic to get that polished, lifelike look, and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Now jump back into ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we generated earlier. Head back to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the input field, and hit generate. In just a few moments, Ideogram will process your request and deliver 4 unique images based on that single prompt, each with slightly different compositions, lighting, and angles. Take a close look at the results and download the one that best fits the visual style you're going for. Now repeat the process with your remaining prompts to generate the rest of your images. Before you know it, you'll have a full set of dynamic, high-quality images ready to turn into a stunning short-form video. The next step is to animate our static images into video clips. And for this, we're going to use Kling AI. Head over to Kling and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon, then select Image to Video. This will open up the animation interface where all the magic happens. Start by uploading the first image you want to animate. Once it's uploaded, you'll need an animation prompt. This is the instruction that tells the AI how to move and bring your image to life. To get a solid animation prompt tailored to your scene, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate animation prompts based on your image style. Then click Enter and it'll give you a detailed animation prompt for all your images. Once ChatGPT gives you the animation prompt, copy the one that matches the image you're working on, then head back to Kling and paste it into the prompt field. Before generating, tweak the settings for best results. Change the mode to standard mode for quicker processing, then set the duration to either 5 or 10 seconds, depending on how long you want each clip to be. Then click Generate and Cling. AI will begin animating your image based on the prompt and settings you've selected. Within a few moments, you'll see your once static image come alive with movement, depth, and cinematic flow. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it to your device. Now repeat the same steps for the rest of your images to animate them into videos.
The next step is to get the perfect background music for a video. For this, we're going to use Suno. Head over to Suno's website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation interface. Since we're only looking for background audio and not lyrics or vocals, make sure to select the instrumental option. Next, jump over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music perfect for this concept. Then click Enter, and ChatGPT will provide you with a style of music. Copy it, then head back to Suno and paste the music style into the prompt field. Give your track a title that fits the tone of your video, and click Create. Suno will then start generating 2 original instrumental tracks based on your selected style. After a few moments, your tracks will be ready. Listen to both tracks. Now select the one you prefer and download it to your device. The final step is bringing everything together with editing. For this, we're going to use CapCut. Head over to CapCut and click on New Project. Import all of your animated clips into the timeline. Then, click on the aspect ratio setting and switch it to 9:16. This is the ideal format for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If any of your clips have watermarks, don't worry. Just click on the clip and stretch or scale it slightly until the watermark is cropped out of the frame. Repeat this process to remove all the watermarks in the entire timeline. Next, let's smooth out the flow with transitions. Click on Overlay, browse through the available transitions, and pick one that fits your video's mood. Once you've chosen your favorite, hit Apply to All to keep everything consistent across clips. Now it's time to add some video effects to give your visuals a little extra flair. Click on Effects, then choose Video Effects. Scroll through the selection and find one that enhances your video's atmosphere. Once you've found the perfect match, drag the effect across the entire timeline so it covers the full length of your video. With the visuals locked in, let's add the custom background music you created earlier in Suno. Import the audio file and drop it into the timeline, syncing it with your video so that the energy flows smoothly from start to finish. Now hit play and watch your full video from beginning to end. Make sure everything looks and sounds just right. If you're happy with the final result, click Export. Set the video resolution to 4K for the best possible quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments section.